Hi everyone, welcome to Technology Academy. So in this class, we're still going to continue from where we stopped, which we are still talking about grid system. So let's proceed. So in this part, we have small grid examples. Bootstrap's grid system is designed to be responsive, adapting layouts to different screen sizes. So here is a breakdown of the class prefix and their corresponding screen widths. Like we know, the code SM, SMD, large, extra large, and that. So small devices are defined as having a screen width of 576 pixel to 767 pixel. Let's proceed. So implementing a 25/75 split for small devices. So it says, assume we have a simple layout with two columns. We want the column to be split 25/75 for small devices. For small devices, we'll use the code SM classes. And we've done that before. We'll just do code SM3 and 9. Let's do. So in this place, we'll say code SM9. In this place, we'll say SM3. So that is that for that. That's just what we just need to do. And it's still, can you see? It's still, this is 3, this is 9. So now let's check the next one. The next one says that colon, sum, and other splits. Make sure that the sum adds up. We are used to this word. So for 33 and 66, we can use 8 and 4. Then for everything to be equal, you can use 6 and 6. This is not new to us. I'm just making more explanations. Then we have auto layout columns for SM devices. In Bootstrap 5, there's an easy way to create equal width column for all devices. Just remove the number and only use the code SM class on the specified number of code elements. Bootstrap will recognize how many columns there are there, and each column will get the same width. So in this aspect, we're talking for small devices. So if the screen size is less than 576 pixels, the column will stack horizontally. So this is for small devices. So if the screen is like less than 576, this is how we have all our grades in form. This is how we have our grades form. So let's move to the next part, which says medium grid example. We are done with small. So in this previous chapter, we presented a grid example with classes for small devices. We used two divs colon, and this aspect we gave them SM. So now, but on medium devices, the design may be better as 50/50 split. Medium devices are defined as having a screen width from 768 pixels to 991 pixels. Let's proceed. So combining small and medium grid together. For medium devices, we will use the code MD. So now let's do this. So for medium devices, we'll create one which is, let's just remove this and remove this. So instead of where we are having SM, we'll say MD6, and we'll also come here, we'll say MD6. Now let's check it out. So we'll have for small devices and we have for larger devices. So how do we get to know about this? What did they say? So in this one, they said, let's go back, 768 pixel to 9. Now let's check it out. For smaller devices, can we see from 768? I want you to focus on this. It's not moving. So 768, can you see? It's scanned back. But because for smaller screen, it's 576. Can you see? For smaller screen. So this is how it works for larger screen and for medium screen and for smaller screen. So that is what they said. Now, they said, okay, we've done this. Let's move to the next part, which is using only medium classes. Make sure that the sum adds up. Yes, we know. In the example below, we will specify only the M6 class without the SM. This means that the medium class LG we split into 50/50 because the class scales up, and however, for small and extra small devices, it will stack vertically, like I just showed you. Second to the final one, which says auto layout column for medium devices. In Bootstrap 5, there is an easy way to create equal width columns for all devices. Just remove the number from the code MD and only use the code MD. So remove where we have 9 or where we have 3, we'll just leave the MD there like that. So let's Let's work around that. So this one automatically understands what we want. Can you see? It understands it. So that is that. Now let's move to the next one, which is responsive grid summary. The class prefix. Use the specific prefix like :sm or nd for targeted screen sizes. Then we have the :sm. Ensure colons widths add up to 12 or less for proper layout. Then we have auto layout. Remove the numbers from the classes, that is ed :sm for equal width colons. Then for the stacking, colons automatically stack on smaller screens if no specific classes are applied. Bootstrap 5 provides a flexible and powerful grid system to create responsive layout for any device. I hope you understand everything I've taught you so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please do follow us across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.